Hey, do you like playing with paint, paper, glue, scissors, inks, dyes, gel plates? My name's Lee Elks and I love to play around with all of those things and create mixed media art and make junk journals. So on that note, let the creating begin. Hello everyone, it's Lee here. Thanks for joining me again. So I'm running late and I'm up to week 44. The prompts are something that starts with a V, a game piece or puzzle piece, translucent paper such as tracing paper, vellum tissue paper, a flag, something that jumps, and the bonus is a repeating pattern. So for those of you who don't know, Margarete Miller's challenge is a weekly assignment, so 52 different weekly assignments to put in your glue book. And if you want to join in the challenge, the details to Margarete's channel and her shop where you can obtain the prompts from are in my video description box. So I've got something that starts with V. I've got a vase. For a game piece or a puzzle piece, in that same book there was this, I think it's a puzzle, I'm not sure, translucent paper. I've got some vellum here and I'll probably use bits and pieces of that. I was thinking about using it as my background, but I'm not sure. A flag. I found that one. I want to get rid of the blue because it's not going to match my colour scheme. Something that jumps. I've got a rabbit and I'm not using the bonus. So I'm going to go ahead and get this started and put you on fast forward while I do that and play some music for you. Come back at the end or when I need to tell you something. done. So something that begins with a V is vase. Game piece or puzzle piece is my page out of the Daphne's diary there that had some sort of puzzle in there. The flag hidden in behind. The translucent paper. Well, there's a whole sheet of tissue on the background there. We've got a vellum washi tape here, and these are pieces of vellum that I've used to make vellum sticky tape on the corners of my photo. Something that jumps, a rabbit, and I didn't use the bonus, which was a repeating pattern. And I've just done some stamping on the page before I put the tissue down. It's a scribbly border around the edge and a little bit of extra stenciling. Sorry, it was stenciling underneath the tissue paper, not stamping. Yeah, so that's it for week 44. Better late than never. So catch you in a couple of days' time for the next one. So cheers from Australia. Hooroo.